In 120 seconds, you're going to learn how to hit $5,000 a month as a freelance copywriter, step by step, as taught by somebody who's made over $575,000 in profit as a copywriter in the past few years. My name is Brandon Story, and let's dive in. Step one, you're going to practice general writing every single day. So open up a Google Doc, set a timer for 60 minutes, and just write. Kind of like a diary or journal. Don't worry about copywriting yet, just write. Number two, we're going to read copywriting books. Start with the Adweek Copywriting Handbook. Read this every day to learn consumer psychology and how to sell with the written word. Then, if you want to speed things up even more, get courses and coaching. Step three, you're going to study proven copy samples by Gary Halbert, David Ogilvy, and the like. You're going to study and hand copy these to learn how to write really good copy. Number four, we're going to pick a lane and own it. So this means pick a niche and specialty. Your niche is the target audience or the industry you're going after. We'll just say you pick fitness coaches. Your specialty is the type of copy you write. We'll say ads, sales pages, or emails are the best. We'll say you pick emails. So you're an email copywriter, fitness coach now. What do? You go find fitness coaches, the top dogs in the space, and you start rewriting their copy for practice. So go find guys like this guy, like William, go look at his landing page, go look at his emails, and start rewriting them, optimize them, make them better. Next, to start landing clients, we're going to send them that new piece of copy. So we're going to write up a full audit, tell them what to improve with their copy and their marketing. We're going to give them a brand new email. We'll just say a welcome email, and we're going to send it over to them. And every day, we're going to do this until we land our first free client, a client for free. Don't worry about getting paid yet. Just focus on getting any client for free. Then once we have client number one, we're going to actually turn that into a case study. This means turning that into a result, a sample, and a testimonial that we're going to show to new clients to start getting paid. Here's an email that I wrote for a client. Here's a list that I matched for 100,000 people. And here are some of the results I got. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to get a testimonial and I'm going to package that up and show that off to people back in the DMs. We're going to take that case study back in the DMs and land your first $1,000 client. After that, you're going to rinse and repeat until you're at $10,000 a month. And for more tips as a freelance copywriter to hit your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, you're going to subscribe to my channel for more free lessons to do this fast. Go get it.